Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how you can delete your WeChat account. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into our video. So first of all you need to do is scroll through your homepage and open your WeChat app. So once you open your WeChat, all you need to do is click on the me icon and then press on the setting option. So once you do this, tap on the account security and then simply press on WeChat Security Center. Here, you need to tap on the account cancellation and then press on the request cancellation option. So after this, to delete your account, all you need to do is press on the next button and then simply press on agree and confirm cancellation. So this is how you delete your account on WeChat. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.